Hello, my name's Ian Birch. I'm the general manager for America's Home Place in Calhoun, Georgia. We're currently standing in the kitchen of our Lexington plan. This is a custom home that we built for one of our customers. It's a 4-bedroom, 4.5 bath floor plan. It's about 3,600 square feet. We've actually highly modified this one. We added probably another 600 square feet to this house. The owner wanted a very large entertainment space in the kitchen. The island seats 8. He's got extended family that lives with him, and they wanted a place where they could entertain, what they do quite a bit. It's got 2 kitchen sinks, 2 big farm sinks in it. It's gonna have a big 48-inch Viking stove, some Sub-Zero appliances that are going in. All the cabinetry was picked out by the customer with our custom cabinet maker. Those glass doors are, obviously they're not standard, but they are great cabinets if that's something that you wish to put in your home. So no matter what you're looking forward to put in your home or how you intend to live and be in your home, you know, whether it's a party space or you want something small and cozy, we often tell our customers you're only limited by your desire and your budget. You know, no matter what you're looking for, come sit down with us and let us show you what we can do and how we can help you configure your home for how you intend to live in it. If you want more information, please contact us at americashomeplace.com, and don't forget to like and subscribe.